How to log in to wellsfargo.com online banking. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log into wellsfargo.com, the official online banking. Now here what you can do is you can head into your browser, and on the browser you want to search in for wellsfargo.com. Now I'll just search in wellsfargo.com and it should take me to the official web page there. Now let this load up. Once this loads up, you can see the interface like this, Wells Fargo. Now at the top right corner you can see menu option, and beside it you can see the sign on option. Simply tap on sign on option, and you can either get the app if you want. You can simply tap on get the app option and it should take you to the application link here. You want to simply tap on continue and it should take you to the web page. If it's available, the application on your area, you should get it here, you can see. Now however, if you want to log in, what you can do is you want to cancel this and you want to tap on sign on option and you want to tap on continue to sign on option. Now if you are on application, you'll directly get the login page. However if you are on here, you'll get an interface like this. Now due to the security issue, I won't be able to show it on the app, but here on the browser all you have to do is you'll have to enter in your username, enter in your password, and simply tap on sign on option, and you'll be able to sign in to your account. So this way you can easily log in or sign in to wellsfargo.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.